My name's James MacMath. I'm a vintage sports car specialist living near Trowbridge, Wiltshire. Marcos Cars are a small volume British sports car company. The early Marcoses were made out of wood to be extremely light, fast and strong. Today I'm making a dashboard frame for a Marcos Mantula. The first thing we do is measure and cut out the support baton. We're now measuring and cutting out the lower dash panels. We are now measuring and cutting out the front vertical panels. Now we are copying an existing dash frame. We are using the dash frame as a template. For the corners of the dash panels, we're using a bandsaw. The bandsaw is good for doing accurate cuts. We are now cutting out the steering column hole in the vertical panel. We're now cutting out the glove box hole. In between cutting the various panels, we are sanding down, cleaning up the edges. Now we are making a new dash top. It's important to reference the original dash to make sure all the measurements are correct. Now we are gluing the panels to the dash support batten. This is a spray-on acid. The acid makes the glue go hard. This dashboard frame will now be sent out to a customer for their Marcos Mantula. Every car is unique, no two are exactly the same. I have worked on more modern cars, but I find this work more rewarding.